world is that?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Take it easy. I come in peace. I'm just here to see if I can get my cruiser fixed. I came from Empire Auto. They're giving me a problem over there. What can you do for me?
Welcome, friend, welcome. Here at Legendary, we take care of all of our customers, no matter what planet you come from. I heard about that guy from Empire Auto. He's from the dark side.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
But here, we got the best Mandalorian technician.
See where you took the blue one off? Yes. Now put the red one. No, don't put the blue one back. Put the red one where the blue one was, and put the blue one where the red one was. But be careful. They're oppositely charged, so keep them away from each other. Make sure you hold them apart from... No, hold them apart.
Best Mandalorian technician.
Are you okay?
And some are from the Stormtrooper program, so your cruiser is in great hands. What I'm going to do now is summon our Jedi Master from the back. Let me call him up here. He's probably doing some weird Jedi training mechanic mind tricks. That's his thing. Can Jedi Master Jason to basics, please?
It's the Cassinator. Didn't they teach you anything in that Stormtrooper school?
Here you go, Trooper. Your cruiser is 100% perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. At Legendary, we take care of things right the first time. As the Mandalorians say,
This is the way. This is the way. This is the way.
Don't put the blue one back. Put the red one where the blue one was, and put the blue one where the red one was.
may the Force be with you.